Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you get help in the AnyDesk application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will find 3 lines. Press on it and here you should select the help option, which is the 6th on the list. After pressing on it, a new page will load in, and after that you can see here the table of contents. This is where every topic is that you might need help about. Such an example could be the address book. Just press on it and you can see that it will instantly take you to that section of the page. Another way of searching up specific topics or problems just by scrolling in the page, and you will eventually find it like that as well. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.